friends, so today we are going to make a bamboo egg, okay? Though I don't eat eggs, but I can show you how do you make it here.
And she's making it for me. She's making it for her friend. Okay?
Yes, that's my friend Bharti. So here, what they do usually, most of the things out here is made in bamboo. So in this, you can see this egg. They put an egg there with a little bit of pinch of salt, not much salt too. And then they put it here inside this. And then you have to keep rotating it because otherwise it will just burn in one side. So you will keep rotating it like this. Yes. No, she told me that. She did. So this is the whole thing about making it. Because what my friend Haggy told me is that the ingredient is not important, but the cooking is a thing which you have to be doing it well. If you don't rotate it properly, then you are not cooking it well too. And see, let's see, can you see?
Oh!
Wait.
And here we have a
Here
cooking
we did one
catastrophe.
mistake out there because we're just learning. So, what is important here is, in this, what you get is the flavor of bamboo inside the egg. And that's the whole funda of living healthy.
And if you cook like the aunty, you will get smoked bamboo
we
egg.
eat like this.
We'll be cutting this into 2 halves and then we're going to eat it. Haggy, we burned it. What do we do about it? Now can you see this is our friend Haggy? Come Haggy.
Hello.
Hi. That's our friend Haggy. And she's going to tell me the mistake what I did, how she's going to prepare it. ये हमने burn कर दिया.
नहीं ये तो कुछ नहीं
कुछ नहीं हुआ. See, good.
कुछ नहीं हुआ.
कुछ नहीं
So it's okay to do mistakes at times. They're not mistakes. Already cooked. So we cooked bamboo egg. Isn't that delicious?
It's going to be liquidy.
no dry
It will be dry. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye. See you all.